Have you ever stopped to think that wolves have one of the most impressive social organizations in the entire animal kingdom? Far beyond the image of wild predators, wolves are true strategic machines of nature. They live in complex social structures, function as a highly organized family, and follow invisible rules that guarantee everyone's survival. Nothing happens by chance inside a pack. A pack is not just a group of wolves together. It is a structured social unit, usually formed by a breeding pair, their pups, and descendants from previous generations. In other words, it is a real family, not a random group of animals. Every wolf has a defined role. Every position has meaning. Every behavior has a purpose. At the top of the hierarchy is the leading pair. They are not leaders because they are the most aggressive, but because they are the most experienced, intelligent, and respected. They make strategic decisions: where to live, when to migrate, when to hunt, when to retreat, and when to fight. Below them are the adult wolves, responsible for protecting the pack, teaching the young, taking part in hunts, and maintaining social order. Then come the younger wolves, who learn by observing the elders. And finally, the pups, who represent the future of the pack. Everything is organized, nothing is chaotic. Now, an impressive detail: when a pack moves, they don't walk randomly. There is a strategic formation. At the front are the most experienced wolves, responsible for choosing safe routes. In the center are the pups and the most vulnerable, fully protected. And at the rear are the strongest wolves, ensuring security against surprise attacks. This is not just instinct. This is collective intelligence. During hunting, this organization becomes even more impressive. Wolves don't attack on impulse. They observe. They analyze the prey's behavior. They identify the weakest, sickest, or most exhausted. They create isolation strategies. They surround. They confuse. They physically exhaust the prey. And only then do they attack together. They don't win by brute force alone. They win through exhaustion, strategy, and cooperation. A single hunt involves silent communication, body language reading, synchronized movement, and collective decision-making. It's like a military operation of nature. Now here comes an impressive fact. A wolf can run dozens of kilometers in a single day without reaching exhaustion. Its physical endurance is extraordinary. Its metabolism is built for long distances, extreme cold, prolonged hunger, and continuous effort. A wolf's bite is extremely powerful, stronger than most domestic dogs. Its muscles are denser. Its body is tougher. Its bone structure is built for impact and combat. But the greatest power of the wolf is not in the body. It's in the mind. Now let's compare wolves with dogs. Dogs are direct descendants of wolves, but they were shaped by humans over thousands of years. In that process, they gained affection, loyalty, and sociability, but lost part of their wild instinct, autonomy, and strategic survival ability. The dog depends on humans. The wolf depends on the pack. The dog survives through protection. The wolf survives through organization. The dog acts by command. The wolf acts by collective intelligence. In physical strength, the wolf is superior. In endurance, the wolf is superior. In survival instinct, the wolf is superior. In hunting ability, the wolf is superior. But the biggest difference is in behavior. The wolf does not think as an individual. It thinks as a group. Everything it does is for the pack. Protecting the pups, securing food, maintaining territory, preserving social structure. This collective mindset transforms a group of wolves into something extremely powerful. A lone wolf is strong, but a pack is a force of nature. They dominate vast territories. They control populations of other animals. They balance entire ecosystems. They directly influence the health of forests, rivers, and fields. Where wolves disappear, ecosystems collapse. Where wolves exist, the environment stabilizes. They are not just predators. They are natural regulators of wildlife. And in the end, wolves teach us a powerful lesson. True strength is not in the isolated individual. It is in unity, in organization, in discipline, in cooperation, in collective intelligence. Because in nature, it's not the strongest that survives. It's not the biggest that survives. It's not the most aggressive that survives. The one who survives is the most organized, the most strategic, the most prepared. And in this game of survival, wolves are absolute masters. If you enjoyed the video, leave your like. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss the next content. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.